Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 29th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I still think this looks like it needs to go up. I still think it needs to take out this previous high. My target for this is actually around the 155 area because I have a Fibonacci extension on the weekly, which I'll show you in a minute before we actually do make another bigger push to the downside. So let's take it down to that weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I got my Fibonacci extension measuring this last impulsive, projecting it off the bottom of the last corrective. I think it needs to take out the high right here, which actually tells me that the 78.6 is probably not the level that it's going to turn at. I think it's more likely going to make its way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension, which puts us all the way up to about the 155 area. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have a little bit of a pullback going on. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I think there's a really good chance this is right here is a correction to the uptrend. So I for sure am definitely still looking for longs and an uptrend. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a nice impulsive down for wave A. This is all very, very overlapping. It's probably all a corrective wave B. This looks like impulsive down for wave C. If this little move right here that we're seeing does end up making a big engulfing move to the upside, then I would probably take it as a long. I was definitely originally thinking that it would go down to at least a 38.2 before it went up. But if the market has different ideas and it does end up turning right here, making a nice big engulfing move to the upside, I would take it as a long. But I would be a little cautious because I still think the 38.2 is a likely area for it to end the wave C, and then it would take out the low of the wave A, just like an ABC should. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is where you can see the trend for the wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I said, if this does go up and make a nice impulsive move up and break structure, then that tells me that that's the end of a trend. And if that trend is a wave C, which it definitely looks like it is, then that probably would be the continuation of the uptrend. So like I said, I am definitely looking for longs. I really want to see a break of structure to really confirm that that is the end of a correction. Otherwise, it could possibly make a lower high and head down to the 38.2. Now, either way, even if it does end up going down again, I'm definitely going to basically just be looking for longs in an uptrend for the continuation of this bigger uptrend on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.